Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, if you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So now let's take a look at what we have for today, which is NASDAQ 100, right? NASDAQ 100, we actually had a bearish move yesterday, which was on the 6th, right? So actually had a bearish move. Now we want to see where this price will be moving for the 7th, but I can tell you for sure that for this 7th, we'll actually open and close green, which meaning would have a bullish move. So I'm going to give you different reasons why we take such trade and different ways. Why and we'll check all around. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. First of all, we want to know the trend for this daily time frame. You can see this is an uptrend move. Clearly, price is bullish, right? There's no doubt about that. So you would see that price has actually reacted to a level multiple times. So it is that level we would want to watch out and want to trade with it. Like the rules of trading, trade what you see and not what you think, right? So it is what we see here we are going to place our trade on. So we first saw and we would know how we had actually got to this level if we are following this channel consistently, right? How we have got to this level, and we also highlighted this level, right? Now we can now see that price broke out, came to this highs, right? Dropped to test this level again. Guess what again? We actually had another movement that came to this highs. Guess what? It has now dropped to test this level. So after it has gotten to this level, what do you expect next? Of course, we expect a bullish move on this NASDAQ 100. Now, the reason is that we are going to be taking this as our support and our resistance level, except until if this price eventually breaks down, then we were now going to take this our support. We would now see it as an absolute. We would know that okay, this support on this daily time frame or 4 hour time frame is now obsolete. But as long as this price does not break below it, which I believe it will not for today, so we would expect a bullish move. So this NASDAQ 100, we are going to be expecting a bullish move. So we will take here as a rejection here. When price came here to reject here, we saw a rejection here. Price came here, came down again, it went up. Price also came here, rejected here, it came down to this same level, and guess what? It went up. So this level we would highlight it as our support level. Now this price has dropped to our support level. What do you want to see next on this NASDAQ 100? Of course, you would want to go bullish again. But before you enter to go long, you want to wait for some confirmation and for setup to come in before you actually go ahead to take this trade. So we are going to analyze such movement. So that is it on our daily time frame. We will be expecting a bullish move for this day, which is on the 7th, right? We want to see a bullish move on NASDAQ 100. So watch out for it. NASDAQ 100 will give us bullish move. So now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So you can clearly see this level that I've done here, which we will take this low as our support, right? And we will take this level high here as our resistance level. Anytime we see this price drop to our support level, then we'll see it roll up again to our resistance level, right? Then we'll see it come again to our support level. Then price kind of broke out. Then guess what? Price retraced and it has now come to our support level. Now it is at this support level. So the rules of trading, trade what you see and not what you think. So many of you might be thinking, you might be thinking, this NASDAQ 100 will continue to go bearish because it is bearish move. But what you clearly can see is that price has been reacting to this level, and this is showing us that this price is kind of ranging within this area. So we would want to take this trade by going bullish, or except this price eventually drops, break this candlestick wick or break a level of 11,400. If eventually that's NASDAQ 100 drops to a level of 11,000, breaks a level of 11,400, then we can also there would be any bullish, we would not be expecting bullish move on NASDAQ 100 again. Then we can now go ahead to start selling this NASDAQ 100. But if price does not break below it, which I strongly believe it will not even break below it, right? So we would be expecting a bullish move. So watch out for it. Now, before you place this trade, before you go bullish, right, you would want to go to your 30 minutes time frame. So you will want to wait for multiple break or structure upward. So once you see like a break or structure upward, like an impulse move here, and you get a correction, you see another impulse move on NASDAQ 100, then when a correction come, which will definitely happen, right? So once the correction happens, right, then you can now go ahead to go long on this NASDAQ 100. So wait, watch your 30 minutes time frame. When you are once you are seeing higher highs and higher lows, then you can go ahead to jump on this Nasdaq 100 and go ahead to go long on it. But if it does not give us, we might want to fold our hands and see how the price will play out. But I believe we are going to get it. So watch out for it. Once you see higher highs and higher lows, then you can go ahead to go long for the day on Nasdaq 100.